Hi everyone, I'm heidiroro and welcome back to my channel. For this month, I wanted to combine both April and May's BoxyCharm because I was away in Japan when I got April's BoxyCharm, so I wasn't able to film that one. So I'm just going to combine both boxes for today's look. Before I start with makeup, I wanted to try out this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. I loved applying this to my skin because it was very cooling. This mask is also $47, so the fact that it's in this box is incredible. I waited about 10 minutes for it to dry, and then you wash it off with warm water. Now my pores are unclogged and ready for makeup. Now I'm using the Cover FX Blurring Primer. This is $38, and I'm just focusing this on the center of my face and my T-zone. I'm using one of my favorite foundations. This is the Lancome Idole Ultrawear Foundation. I'm in shade 320 Bisque Warm. I love this foundation. It's so natural looking, but still full coverage. Ooh, bless you. Girl, are you done? Yes. Before I was rudely interrupted by me, I just continued to blend out my foundation, and I'm just adding the Tarte Shape Tape on my under eyes, my nose bridge, the center of my face basically, just to highlight my face, and I'm also using it to prep my eyes. I always love getting brushes in my BoxyCharm. This is the P12 face brush, and I'm just using Laura Mercier face powder all over my face, and this brush was incredibly soft, you guys. I'm so excited to receive the Pure Sculptor palette. This is $30. It's very pigmented and very creamy. This product also was in a previous BoxyCharm. This is the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush in the shade Hush Blush. I'm using the same face brush and combining both the highlighters in the Pure Sculptor palette, and it was blinding. I loved it. Now I'm just doing my brows very quickly. I'm using my favorite Colourpop Precision Brow Pencil. I'm in the shade Honey Blonde. I'm setting my brows with the BrowGal Instatint Tinted Eyebrow Gel. It has microfibers, so it actually gives me a natural hair look. This product is also $22, which is insane. Now for the star of the show, I'm using the Colourpop My Little Pony eyeshadow palette. This palette brings me back to my childhood. I just wish that it had a mirror. But I'm using this beautiful pinky shade, and I'm just adding it to my crease with a fluffy brush. I'm using this mauve purple in the same area in the inner and outer corner, and I'm just buffing it in the crease. With this peachy shade, I'm just blending everything out so nothing is harsh. I think Mark was telling me a joke. And with a small flat brush, I'm going to be using the same Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just focusing this in the center of my eye. I'm creating a halo eye. I'm mixing these two beautiful shimmer shades, and I'm just adding it to the center of my lids, and I'm using both of those pinky purple shades, and I'm just redefining that inner and outer corner and doing the same thing to my lower lash line. So we also got the Pretty Vulgar Ink Gel Eyeliner as well as the Sedeca 3-piece eye trio. I'm using the skinny brush tip to create my wing eyeliner, and honestly, this product was extremely creamy and easy to use. Now apply your favorite mascara. I'm just using the Benefit Roller Lash. I'm using a small smudger brush and this deep purple shade to set my eyeliner. I applied the House of Lashes Noir Fairy Mini Lashes off camera. I totally forgot that I had another highlighter in one of my boxes, so I'm using the TAREST Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter in Stunner to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone. There was one lip bead in each box, so I'm just going to mix the two. I'm going to use the Ades High Definition Liquid Lipstick. It's a deep mauve shade, and I'm also mixing the BoxyCharm X Beauty Creations Matte Lip Gloss in Sweetheart, which is a beautiful pinky shade. And I'm going to jazz up my face just a little bit with the Milk Makeup Tattoo Stamps. I got the star stamps, and I'm just adding 3 to one eye and 3 to the top of my eyebrows. And last but not least, I'm setting my entire face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that's it for today's video. I know I wasn't able to make one last month because I was away, but I'm glad I was able to incorporate all the products from last month and this month together. If you guys liked it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below on what you'd like to see next, and subscribe so you join the family. Thanks for watching. Bye!